All right, my friends. So it's come to my attention that there may be some difficulty understanding, in particular, percentages, fractions, etc., math-related issues. So I decided to start a series where I teach you some tips and tricks that I found easy to help out with these sorts of things. So first thing first, fractions and percentages. We're going to start with percentages today. And let's say you're going to a store and the store is offering a sale of 65% off blue tag items. And you're trying to figure out how much are you going to pay for this item. So your item that you want to buy for whatever reason in this economy is $200. So you want to know how much are you going to pay? What is 65% off of 200? So it's a fast and easy method, lots of different styles. This is the one that's always worked best for me. It makes the most sense. You're ultimately asking the question, what is 65% of 200? So here's where the trick comes in. You write, or you can do this in your math, you can do it, hold it in your head, whatever, paper, whatever works, is over of and percent over 100. And now you're going to plug in this question into this equation. What is 65%? So we know 65 over 100 of 200. We know the of here. We don't know the is. So what we're going to do now is simply multiply diagonally 200 times 65 is your first step. And then you are going to divide your product by 100. So in case there's any confusion, I paused the video, I did the math myself at a separate time. We'll do multiplication and stuff in another video. But to save time for this video, 200 times 65 equals 13,000. Divided by 100 is 130. So you are taking $130 off of the total of 200 and are only paying $70. A killer fucking deal for whatever it is you're getting. But there it is over of times percent over 100. And it works for any sort of situation. Any number that you got here will work.